What are you guys doing? Why are you on tack gear?
Didn't you want us to come some briefing thingamajig?
We're trying to attend World Shoot. We're not trying to breach an entire building or rescue Quake. Go get changed.
It took me time to get into this.
It's really good.
Okay, Action Air World Shoot. It is the world's first IPSC Action Air World Shooting Championship that's hosted in Hong Kong. Date is between June 29th to July 3rd, 2018. And the venue is at Kowloon Bay International Trade and Exhibition Center, Kai Tak for short.
Kai Tak.
Okay.
There will be 480 shooters and over 18 countries participating in this competition alone. You two, unfortunately, are up against our sponsor team, Team Blazers.
Team Blazers? Blazer. I know this guy.
Oh, he helped us in a couple videos.
I know. He helped me in the last one.
First, we have Keung. He's a team captain. Due to his exceptional skill in his class, he will be representing Team Hong Kong.
Captain.
Next, we have Yen T. Similar to Keung, he did exceptionally well in his class, so he will be representing Team Hong Kong as well. Specialized in speed and reflex.
Well, I think you're out of the picture if it comes to speed.
Yeah, I am totally out of the picture.
I mean, you're really good with the reflex.
I'm okay. I'm just about.
Next, we have Jerry, one of the top shooter in open class, specialized in combo in the same league as Yen T.
He kind of looks like everybody's younger brother. I think I can take him.
I think you could. You could definitely take him.
Oops!
Gun
Winson!
guy.
Winson, a well-balanced shooter, primarily focused on speed and reflex in the same league as Keung. Now, due to Keung, he is representing Team Hong Kong in his class, so he will be representing Team Blazer on the same class for the World Shoot.
Look at him.
Yeah, gel gun man. You
Yeah.
got him. You got him.
Yeah, of course.
Then we have Mr. Chan, a man with mystery. We only know his last name, and we also know his nickname is Ball. Open class shooter, specialized in accuracy.
It says Ball on his jersey, like Lonzo Ball.
Ball and
Or,
Chan.
Ball and Chan. Hey.
Last but not least, we have Chung, standard class shooter with the ability to make the best stage plan.
Timing has never really been my forte.
Nor mine. I think we could do it.
Yeah.
I think we could take them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do great.
Especially Jerry, everybody's little brother.
That was under 9 seconds, and they just cleared stage.
Didn't you say you had something to do?
Yeah, yeah, right, okay, I'm going
I think I have a flight to catch
I
to
don't
Sweden.
think
Yeah, anyways,
so.
yeah, let's go do
Places
that.
to be.
Yeah, I know. Carry on? Where you at, bro?
Okay, so now Tim and Mark are both officially out of the roster list. Good luck, shooters. See you guys on June 29th.